Listen, insurance is a scam. So if you're being charged outrageous prices for insurance, listen to these tips on how to reduce it. Add experienced drivers to your policy. This could be a parent, an uncle, your brother, anyone whose experience is useful. You can add them as a second driver, or if you want, you can make them the first driver and add yourself as the second driver. Quick disclaimer, in order to do that, they also have to be the registered owner of the car. This is personally what I did. And I noticed a big difference in what I was being quoted. Listen, I know you're eager, but don't make your insurance start straight away. I think the recommended amount of days to leave it is about 23 days. However, I was never doing that. So what I did is I think I made it start the week after, and I noticed a big change from just doing that. Now, I understand not everyone might be in the position to do this, but if you can, try to pay it annually instead of monthly. Now, obviously, by paying monthly, you're going to be charged interest, so the overall amount you're paying will be higher. But if you can pay off in one go, and that way you're not charged any interest, and also you don't have to worry about any monthly payments. Now, I'm not saying to do this. However, if you can, try to tweak your job title a bit. It's weird, but your job title is actually significant on what you're being quoted. But if you put the job that you're doing and you're being charged stupid prices, try to tweak it a bit. For example, if you're a customer service advisor, maybe try change it to retail assistant. This one's for kind of new drivers. Use a black box. Trust me, I've been there. It hurts, but it is worth it. In my first year of insurance, I was being quoted £2,500, but with a black box, I was only quoted £1,700. That means I saved £800. And once that first year was done, I was only quoted £1,400 with no black box. So I'm telling you, it makes a big difference as long as you're driving safely. And finally, just make sure to check multiple comparison websites. For some reason, the same company will have different prices on the different comparison websites. I don't really understand why, but just make sure you're checking around to see what's the cheapest. But yeah, these are the things that work for me. So make sure you follow if you want any more advice.